Hello everyone, today I am here to solve your very big problem, that is how to upload your work in Google Classroom in an assignment that is assigned by your teacher via making a PDF. So let's get started. For that we need to work on with the software, or you can download an app, but I prefer from doing it with Chrome, and there are several softwares which you can use via Chrome to do this. So I prefer JPG to PDF converter, and it has already come, so you can see this one. So I open this www.ilovepdf.com. After you open, its interface is something like this. Now it will show you option, select JPG images for creating PDF. I'll select on this option. Now you need to add pictures. You can either click the pictures like I am doing right now. So I am also uploading my work. So after clicking each picture, you can click on the right option, and now you can see again a plus button. Go in that, again you can opt for the camera button and click the pictures for uploading. Same, I have uploaded now 2. If I want to upload more, same way I'll just turn the pages of my notebook. I'll click it the pictures and I will let them form a PDF. So I'm having here is, for example, 4 pages. So I am doing this 4 pages, and one more page I am going to do. So one by one, just do it. Press on the right option. Now you can see all the images have came up, and now you will get an option at the bottom right corner called convert to PDF. I'll go to that option and it will take a bit time, and now you will see download the PDF. So I have downloaded the PDF now, like it is getting downloaded, and see my PDF is ready, and here it is. So now if you want to share this to Google Classroom, follow the given steps. So now we will be opening the Google Classroom, and here are all my teams, and this is the assignment which has been assigned. Now I'll either click on your work and I'll do add attachment. Then you can see several options, whichever you want you can do, but I am doing it with a PDF. I'll go on file. Now after going on file, you can see several screenshots and images, but I'll go to downloads. And now you can see just now we created this PDF, this one called google.chrome. So I'll select that PDF, and it's just taking a bit time because it's a PDF and it's a long file. Now see, this is the PDF. I can open and see it that we have just made this PDF. Now I'll go that side, and now I need to press on turn in so that this work gets uploaded to the respective teacher. I'll do turn in. So it's taking a bit time again. Okay, so now it's showing a work submitted message. Now what if you want to upload again a PDF, like you have already uploaded this and now again you want to upload another PDF or image, whatever you want to. So how will you upload it? So first of all, we will do unsubmit, and then you will get option of add attachment. So I go on that, I go on take photo. Now I click a photo, or again you can upload a PDF. After clicking a photo, it's just loading on and downloading. Now see, this has also come. This photo which I have just clicked in front of you people. So this is the 2 PDF, one PDF and one image which I have uploaded. Now I'll again press on turn in and resubmit option, and now this will be again be submitted and turned in. So in the same way, I'll go to back and I'll show you that how I have uploaded it. So thank you, and I hope this was quite a very useful video for you all. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope for your everlasting support. So yeah, I'll take a leave. Thank you.